Do you know anything, since it's, right around the corner, St.
Yeah.
Patty's Day, what do you know about four-leaf clovers? Anything?
Not much. My mother's maiden name's McCarty. I'm Irish. I should know more. I know about Guinness beer and harp. How about that? There you go.
He knows good beer. That's what he
do.
knows. Well, we went out on our own hunt for four-leaf clovers and their connection to Irish folklore. Take a look what we found.
There is a difference between shamrocks and clover. The legend goes that St. Patrick decided that he was going to use a three-leafed plant to help educate the Irish back in the 7th century. 3 leaves to talk about the Trinity, the Holy Trinity. And we don't know that these are the plants that he used, that clover was the plant he used, but it has come down through legend and lore that it is the plant he used, and now you don't have to be Irish to think of shamrocks in St. Patrick's Day and Ireland all at the same time. 4-leaf clovers are technically real clovers. It can be kind of a weedy plant. We see them in our gardens and lawns sometimes. But I think because 4-leaf clover was so associated with good luck for a variety of reasons that some of the plant breeders decided to start doing some 4-leaf clovers. They are very rare. Whether they truly impart good luck, I don't know, but I would celebrate it. These clovers, some have 3, some have 4 leaves, and I think it's now a matter of trying to figure out what people want, what they want to buy, what they want to grow in their home as a house plant. We have all these different varieties, so just pick the one that moves your heart. That's what gardening should be all about. When you take them home, you're going to put them in a place that gets some nice soft sun, maybe a little bit brighter, but not direct Colorado sun. That's kind of a problem for these plants. You're going to keep it steadily moist, never soggy. That will kill the plant's roots. And then you're going to make sure that it has not too hot, not too cold. So a little cooler than we like, a little hotter than we like is going to shut it down. It's going to go dormant, which is another fun part of what this plant does. This one is the iron cross. You can kind of see in the middle there, and this one actually has 4 leaves, but this has been cultivated. This is not something that you would naturally see occurring in nature. It needs a little help from the plant growers. This beautiful purplish one is my personal favorite. It has little dapples of pink right in the middle of it there. Big brassy leaf, nice bold flower. And this other one is what most people think of when they think of shamrocks, those bright green leaves, beautiful flowers, lots of flowers. And in fact, a lot of these make really excellent houseplants, so people should not hesitate to grow them as a houseplant, not just around St. Patrick's Day. If you are lucky enough to find a 4-leaf clover, I would probably first do a happy dance, because we all know it's really good luck. But then I would press it. I'd figure out a way that people dry flowers, maybe between some wax paper, anything that would preserve the color, and prove to people that you're not just full of beans when you said you found a 4-leaf clover.
We're lucky today. Thank you so much to Lou Ann Aiken and our friends at Tagawa Gardens for having some clover fun with us. Well, there are all kinds of plant and gardening experts ready to help you at Tagawa Gardens, so check them out online, tagawagardens.com.